Hi, Lila. Can you show me where your ears are? Your ears? Your ears? Can you show me where your nose is? Can you show me where your nose is? Your nose? What about your belly? Can you show me where your belly is? Yeah. How about your hair? Can you show me where your hair is? Yep. How about your tongue? Can you show me where your tongue is? Awesome. Can you wave bye-bye to everybody? Can you say bye-bye, everybody?
Yeah.